Hi everyone. Hennessey has confirmed production for its new Venom 1200 Mustang GT500. Based on the most powerful factory-produced Mustang of all time, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, the latest Hennessey build will be one of the most powerful muscle cars Hennessey Performance has ever produced. Ford Performance's factory-stock Shelby GT500 boasts a hand-built supercharged 5.2-liter V8 rated at 760 horsepower and 625 pound-foot of torque. It's the most powerful factory engine ever dropped under the iconic pony car's hood. The Hennessey Performance team in Texas, which has been making fast cars faster for more than 30 years, seizes the opportunity. Its engineers make wide-ranging improvements to the factory setup to increase horsepower and torque considerably. These include a higher capacity 3.8-liter supercharger, a high-flow induction system, new fuel rails and injectors, and an air oil separation system. In addition, fittings, lines, belts, and tensioners are upgraded, and the dual-clutch transmission is recalibrated for its high-output role. Lastly, the vehicle is calibrated on Hennessey's in-house dynamometer before being road-tested. When the Venom 1200 leaves Hennessey Performance, its comprehensive upgrades and enhancements have unleashed a formidable 1,204 horsepower and 902 pound-foot of torque, an astounding 58% increase in horsepower over stock. Priced from $59,950, exclusive of the base Ford Shelby GT500, the Venom 1200 package offers comprehensive professional upgrades to the stock 5.2-liter V8 engine, unique exterior badging, and a special serial-numbered plaque. Only 66 examples of the Venom 1200 will be built globally. Owners will have the choice of adding the historic 1966 24 Hours of Daytona Ford Mark II GT40 red, white, and black livery to their build. Hennessey prides itself on the reliability of its vehicles and the quality of its workmanship, backing up every Venom 1200 transformation with its comprehensive 1-year or 12,000-mile warranty. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to support us, like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, and have a great day.